you can hear everything about a person through their voice. This is Cynthia, your voice coach. I am inviting you to join me in the workshop that I will be doing on 6th to 7th of April in person in Singapore with Enneagram Academy in Singapore. Now, this is the workshop for those who are very familiar with Enneagram. And if you're not familiar with Enneagram, I would recommend you to attend workshops on what Enneagram is with Enneagram Academy. And this workshop that I will be doing focuses on the voice patterns for different Enneagram types. You may have known me as a voice coach. And my study with Enneagram started way before I started my business as a voice coach. I'm not only enthusiastic and passionate about voice, but also passionate about Enneagram, because Enneagram has played a critical role in my self-development, self-evolvement, self-enlightenment, awakening, you can name it. So Enneagram has always been my guide in my years of self-development. So in my work as a voice coach, I have discovered the pattern between voice and Enneagram types. And since 2014, that'll be almost 10 years ago, since 2014 August, I started to teach the workshop about voice patterns and Enneagram types. And this is actually the first time I'm doing this workshop, 2 days workshop in Singapore. So you don't want to miss it, because in the workshop, you will discover, of course, the different voice patterns, different voice challenges, issues for different Enneagram types, and how and what you're going to listen when you use Enneagram as a tool for your work, for your life. And most importantly, how we can help each type evolve with the tool of your voice, your breath. So don't miss the workshop and join me, and I hope to see you in April.